Welcome, here I've got Nokia 5.4 and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply tapping on the left button here. And here we have access to other modes of this camera. One of this is the slow motion mode, so let's pick it. Here we are, now we can start recording this kind of video by tapping on this big button at the center. So let me start to show you how it works. Maybe let me give some space to my camera. And now let's start by tapping again to this button. Let me go back to this view. To see the video now, let's go to the right to this button. When we tap here, we get quick access to the gallery, and this is our video. Let's play it by tapping on the center. And this is how the slow motion video looks like at this device. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.